Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming power is solid. Weak batteries are the most common reason remote start fails. Check the vehicle battery voltage and top up or charge if under 12. 4V. Replace the remote fob cell and reinsert with correct polarity. Once done, turn the ignition to on for a few seconds and watch the security lamp and accessory lights. These indicators tell you whether the car's control module is awake and ready to accept remote commands. If lights fail, focus on power and fuses. Now you move into configuration and wiring because correct signals must reach the remote start module. Verify valet mode is off, and the alarm or factory settings allow remote starting. Manufacturers often block remote start when doors are open or hood is ajar. Then test fuses and relays for the starter and immobilizer circuits. Continuity issues will prevent engagement. For aftermarket systems, trace the ground, ignition, tachometer, or CAN lines to ensure secure connections and correct splice. Finally, you perform controlled tests to confirm repair. Close all doors and hood, then attempt a remote start while observing the vehicle. Listen for starter engagement and watch for check engine or security lights. If it still won't start, read module diagnostic LEDs or error codes. They often pinpoint tamper, tach, or immobilizer faults. Try a known good fob to rule out transmitter pairing. If codes indicate ECU or anti-theft lockout, make sure to consult a dealer-level scan tool or a qualified installer to clear faults and restore operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.